This is a dolphin. Dolphins are known for their intelligence and playful behavior. This is a platyfish. It can live in both freshwater and brackish water. This is a koi fish. Koi fish are known for their beautiful colors and patterns. This is a catfish. Catfish use their whiskers to find food in muddy water. This is a rainbow fish. Rainbow fish are known for their beautiful, shimmering scales. This is a gourami. Did you know gouramis can breathe air directly from the surface of the water? This is a mob marley. It likes to swim in schools. This is a zebra danio. Zebra danios are small, active fish, often kept in home aquariums. This is an Oscar fish. Oscar fish are known for their intelligence and can even be trained. This is a discus fish. Discus fish are known for their bright colors and round shape. This is a guppy. Guppies are small, colorful fish that are popular in home aquariums. This is a neon tetra. It is a small freshwater fish native to South America. This is an angelfish. Angelfish have thin, disc-shaped bodies that help them hide among plants. This is a swordtail. Swordtails are known for the long, sword-like extension on the lower part of their tail fin. This is a goldfish. Goldfish can recognize human faces. This is a clownfish. Clownfish live in anemones.